Picture this, Ramit Sethi at a cafe in San Francisco, nursing his overpriced latte, chuckling as he catches a bank charging him a $35 overdraft fee again. He's not angry, he's plotting. In just 6 weeks, he'll walk you through flipping the script, turning your money into a dumb machine that earns while you snooze. But here's the kicker. Can you really have that daily latte and still build serious wealth? Let's find out. First up, those sneaky fees that drain your account faster than a bad vacation. Ramit doesn't just rant, he shows you how to wrestle banks down to size. In week 1, Ramit shares a story about his own friend Amy in New York. Amy calls her bank calm and confident, saying, "I understand you charged me an overdraft fee yesterday. Can you reverse it?" The bank hesitates, then agrees without any drama. That $35, gone, the power move, knowing exactly what to say and when. Imagine your finances like a Rube Goldberg machine. It looks complex, but every gear turns smoothly without you lifting a finger. That's automation. Ramit's principle is to set up no-fee accounts, automatic transfers, and bill pays that run like clockwork, so your money flows like a serene river, not a wild waterfall crashing your budget. Now about taxes. Most people dread April like it's a monster under the bed. Ramit suggests putting the taxman on your team. By optimizing deductions and credits and even timing investments, you turn what feels like a hit into a boost. It's like turning your tax return into a sneaky annual bonus without extra work. Next, the scary world of investing. Ramit debunks myths and hands you a clear map to plant your money seeds, no matter the size of your pocket change. During week 3, Ramit tells the story of Jake, a 24-year-old barista in Chicago who started investing with just $50 a month. No flashy stocks, just steady contributions into diversified funds. Years later, Jake's portfolio blossomed, not because he was rich early, but because he started early and stayed consistent. Ramit compares stock picking to betting at a casino blindfolded. The smart move? Index funds and ETFs that spread your risk across thousands of companies. It's like planting a forest instead of betting on a single tree surviving a storm. The market as a whole grows over time, and you grow with it. Compound interest is the sneaky monster behind wealth. It eats your money's gains and grows them exponentially. Ramit calls it money's 8-limbed octopus, grabbing more with each pass. The earlier you start, the more those tentacles wrap around your future fortune. Finally, Ramit turns the budgeting spiel on its head. It's not about ruthless cuts, but about spending richly where you love it and cutting mercilessly where you don't. In week 4, Ramit describes helping Lisa, a tech worker in Seattle, uncover her leaky buckets, subscriptions she forgot about, exorbitant phone plans. By just listing expenses honestly, Lisa found $200 a month leaking away, which she rerouted toward travel and savings without giving up her beloved morning coffee. Ramit preaches battling unnecessary fees like a general at war. That means standing up to your cable company, slashing unused service fees, and negotiating credit card charges. But here's the magic. These battles save you hundreds, so your daily indulgence, the latte or streaming, stays completely safe. Automate your spending split so your pizza, gym, savings, and bills all get their share, right when your paycheck lands. Ramit likens it to hiring tiny personal finance elves who silently deliver money to exactly where it belongs, on time, every time. No guilt, just control. Remember that cafe scene where Ramit sipped his latte, scheming to beat the banks? Now you've got the playbook. Automate, invest smart, and make spending your superpower. Try this today, call your bank, ask for fee waivers, and set one automatic transfer towards savings. Small steps that turn your dollars into your richest allies. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.